Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to go over how to unlock or how to equip your ranked play skin for Call of Duty Black Ops 6, and let's get straight into it. So once you are on the ranked play home, what you do need to notice, or what you do need to realize, is that you can only get the skin once the season ends. So like the season just started, so all you have to do is go over to challenges and rewards, go to ranked skins, and you'll notice that you'll only get it for gold and above. So for example, if you are bronze or silver, you will not get it. And let's just say so again, you're gonna only be able to get it once the season ends. So even if you're like iridescent or crimson, you're only gonna be able to get the season or the skin once the season ends, and once you are back to, once the rank resets, etc. And yeah, that is something to keep in mind. So again, you'll go over to operators and you will most likely see it here, but you'll only be able to get it once the season ends. And if you don't for some reason see it when the season ends, just go ahead and restart your application, restart your console. So if you're on PS5, just restart your PS5, Xbox, PC, doesn't really matter. Just go ahead and do that, and you will see your ranked play skin come up. And yeah, that should basically be it. That is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.